Earning a commission on Shopee typically involves becoming a seller or affiliate on their platform. Here's how you can do it. As a seller, register as a seller. Sign up for a Shopee seller account by visiting their website or mobile app. List your products. Create product listings for the items you want to sell on Shopee. Include clear descriptions, images, and competitive prices. Fulfill orders. When customers place orders, package and ship the products to them promptly. Choose your payment method. Shopee offers various payment options. You can receive payments through Shopee Pay, bank transfers, or other methods. Pay Shopee commission. Shopee charges a commission fee for each sale made through their platform. This fee varies depending on the category and type of product. It is deducted from your earnings before you receive the payment. As an affiliate, join Shopee Affiliate Program. Sign up for Shopee's affiliate program if you have a website, blog, or social media presence. Shopee provides you with unique tracking links and marketing materials. Promote Shopee products. Use your affiliate links to promote products from Shopee on your platform. You can write reviews, share deals, or create content related to Shopee products. Earn commissions. You earn a commission for each sale generated through your affiliate links. The commission rate may vary based on the product category and promotions. Track performance. Monitor your affiliate dashboard to track your earnings and performance. Receive payouts. Shopee will typically pay your affiliate commissions through bank transfers or other agreed upon methods once you reach a minimum payout threshold. Compliance. Ensure you adhere to Shopee's affiliate program terms and guidelines.